A shocking robbery has created panic in Delanga village of Puri district. According to reports, a group of miscreants allegedly looted gold ornaments and cash worth several lakhs of rupees from a house on Monday night. The incident took place at the residence of Deepak Kumar Sahu. Taking advantage of the situation, when only the mother-in-law and daughter-in-law were present at home, the robbers forcefully entered the house. The miscreants had reportedly covered their faces with black cloths. They allegedly threatened the two women by placing knives on their necks. The robbers then looted gold ornaments worth several lakhs and cash of 50,000 rupees before fleeing from the spot. The daring robbery has triggered panic in the entire area. After receiving information, Delanga police reached the spot and started an investigation. Efforts are currently underway to identify and trace the miscreants involved in the crime. However, no official comments have been received from the police so far.
आम शाशु बो दीज घर रोलु बास आम बारीपटू किए डाकबार मुझे कबाट खोलिली मो सान दिहर भाविकी मुझे कबाट खोली बास सेपटू आसिकी मो बेकर खंडा लगे आसिले रूम को आसिले आउ मो शाशु बेकर भी जड़े खंडा लगे बास घरे जहाँ थिला मु कैश रखी घर कम 50,000 पाखापाखि आ सब सुना गहना भी सब नहीं जाइए
गोटे घटना केबे हम शुणी नथिलु ए 8टा 8:30 भितर हठात दुई जन दुर्बृत्त आसिले मुखा पिंधा लोक आम जहाँ शुणिलु एवं आसिक से बहु बेकर छुरी लगेले गोटे खंडा आनिक से गोटे मोमोस अवस्था गोटे पक्षाघात रोगी बेकर से खंडा लगे पाटी चुप करेले से बहु को छुरी लगे कौ जिन देखा ये जिन सब बजार शुणिलु।